Am I getting the Slimy Goo? I don't get it. Okay, I know what I said. I said that I was gonna do Star Wars Battlefront 2 Classic 2005, but it has a problem when I try to play it. It doesn't. Sometimes the screen just goes black. I don't know what to do. And also, I know that I said after Lego Batman 3, I said it in Lego Batman 3 that we were gonna play Lego Pirates of the Caribbean, but I'm gonna say that we're gonna play Lego Star Wars. For some reasons, one, that is the first Lego games I ever played, and now they have it on Steam. And there's also new things in the old game, so it's like nostalgia, and it's the first game, and I finally get to play it again, you know. But also, reason number 2 is that it was cheap, so I had to buy it. All right, so we're still in Santa's place here, and now we're also getting to the game that I have never been to. I've never been past this part of the game. I've never done this Craftmas mission either, or maybe it's different. I don't know. A sanity scandal makes us open the Almeri Bank, which was closed last time I was in Almeri. But I am a little bit interested in the green gloop. So I have a cough every time I try to record. It's annoying. I'm back inside Santa's workshop here. Because this is on the assassin class again. That was only a one-time thing on the mage class last episode. Gonna get that, and we're going to go to Elustrup. I don't see the thing anymore. Oh, there it is. It was behind the ship. I don't know where he is. It doesn't say what kind of village, I guess, he's close to. I don't think I can jump over the ice over there. Excuse me. Oh shit, I'm under the ice. Alright, I need to take a boat. Where's the boat guy? I'm sorry if I cough a lot. It's really uncomfortable for me too. But let's see if we can get back to Selchar. I'm so sorry. Let's see if we can get back to Selchar. Winter 2016 merchant? Ooh! 3,000? It's very expensive though. But it was 3,000 health. Does that mean my health will just be like, instead of 787, it's 3,000? 2017? Ooh! I like that one. Well, I like that one. Very fast attack speed. Very much air damage too. Just don't mind if I do. 1,775. That's cool. Doesn't really say there, but it's probably 1,000 there too. I like that. I like that. Give me some walk speed too. It's called Dasher? Is one of them called Rudolph? Ah, come on, you don't have Rudolph here? You have every single other one. You have Dasher, you have Comet, you have Cupid, you have Prancer. You don't have Rudolph? The most famous one? You know, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Because that was actually names of Santas. Oh, I'm sorry, Viking. You're under the bridge. Well, yeah. I don't know what this place is called, but all I know is that I need to get back to Saltchar. And for that, hmm, oh well. I need to cough again. I'm so sorry. I was going to play with my friends too, but we doesn't know what to play yet. We were thinking, like I was thinking, we both got ourselves Dead Island Definitive Edition last month, I think it was, in November or in the beginning of December. I thought I had it, but I had the normal Dead Island because I got it before it was gone from Steam because I got it on disc. And now it is on Steam automatically. Okay, how am I supposed to get away from here? Now I'm just messing around. I don't even get to do the quest before my friend comes back home because he's in the store at the moment. But yeah, we both got ourselves Definitive Edition, and we also he was talking about Minecraft Hardcore a couple weeks ago. Is it here? Ice Fisher. No, he's not here either. Gosh darn it, how'd I get away from here? Ooh. But yeah. You know what? I honestly don't know what to do here, so I'm just gonna. He might be on one of the boats close to the place here. Is this the boat? I don't know. But yeah, he talked about Minecraft Hardcore, and so I'm not sure if it's going to be Minecraft Hardcore or if it's going to be Dead Island. But I also told him, hey, if you want, I can buy the raft. It's on sale, and we can play the raft because I know he has the raft. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna cut till I find him. Because now we have gotten way too long without me actually doing anything. Unless he's over here. Nope. Right, I'll see you when I find him. So I started to swim from right over there before I realized I have teleportation scrolls. And what is closest to Saltchar? That is Nemract. What is closest to Nemract? That is probably Deathless. Deathless. The Talus. And it's snowing! Oh, it's Christmas here! I didn't know! Oh, hi, the traveler. Oh, hello, that was quite a storm passing through here earlier, was it not? I wasn't here. I found myself passing through the area and, well, it seems the storm has cleared up now. Probably for the best. These falls here are quiet. a festive bunch, aren't they? Though, well, I can't help but feel that something's missing. You look like you traveled all over. Yes, I have a proposal for you. I'm listening. I'm glad you are. On your travels, surely, you met all sorts of people, yes? Yeah, more or less. Why can't you not shift? There you go. If I point you in the direction of interested folks, you can invite them here. Share the winter spirit with others and make the city a little less lonely. Um, I think there's more than enough people here right now. So, they even have a Yeti here. Come on. I'm glad you're interested. I'm glad you're interested, I think. I think this idea could work quite well if you bring enough folks. Right, I have an idea in mind for the first person you could invite. Seek the weary soldier, stationed near an ancient stair. Once you found them, come talk to me. I would like to, but I don't know where to find him, and I don't know where to find the stair. I'm just going to follow this red thing, which is going towards a little bit towards Almui. So I could have just teleported there, but maybe it's closer to here than Almui. I don't know. You know what? We haven't said hi to Nora in a while, so let's bring Nora out here. Hi, Nora. I remember the name. Isn't that nice? That just shows you that this is the best companion you can have in a game. Nora is my best buddy. She is my best buddy. I never really knew. I knew one person named Nora when I was younger, but that's it. I feel like I have something on my nose. I'm getting maybe sick, but that's okay. As long as it's not COVID, I'm fine. If it's the flu, I'm probably gonna be fine. I have taken all shots of every flu. When I was younger, you got like flu vaccines every year, almost. I'm just kidding. But you probably went to school and got some flu shots. Are we going to talk to a guy that is like far beyond Alme? Okay. That was a treasure chest, but I'm not gonna check it. This is towards the place where I assassinated that guy. Hey, there you are. Why are you here in such a dangerous place? Did you just hurt my horse? I'm gonna be, it's gonna be a little bit hard to get used to that you're not gonna heal anymore by doing magic. You're not a mage. Oh hey, you adventurer over there. Would you mind helping me? You see, this cave behind me has been troubling me for the past while now. There are special slimes that live in there, and they drop a certain goo that is quite a delicacy when brewed into a drink. They are called gooey slimes and should be at the very back. A friend of mine drinks this stuff like water, and he refuses to work without it. However, the slimes have gotten stronger about a month ago. I'm unable to retrieve it anymore. I've come close to getting killed a few times. You, however, seem much better equipped than I. Hopefully you can do it. If you decide to help me, you need to obtain a special device for retrieving it, as the slime will dry up quickly in the air. Less fickle glass blower, Yodbon, can make it for you. He should be living in the house in front of the Almud Bank. I'll need 8 slimy goose, as we'll need a big batch of drinks. If you help, I'll be sure to tell him, and he'll probably let you into his shop. I mean, I guess I could. I know how that feels, man. Excuse me. Also, you may see me a little bit closer now, because I have the I use like a keyboard, and I put it on top of my PC. Oh, oh yeah, I can't get into the bank, so I need to go around. Should have done the bank mission first, but I don't know what that is, and it sounds dangerous since you gotta help a bank and you need to be level 32, and I'm 32. If you hear knocking, I'm so sorry. It's not at my house, it's outside someone else's house. You know, it's snowy outside, so they need to kick up their snow, you know? Bank guard. I probably need to talk to him to get into there, or do the mission, but I'm not gonna talk to him. It seems like he lives somewhere near here, because I can't see. Aha! Welcome to Yodman's Glass Glory. What can I do for... Oh, another stinking adventure, eh? So many be coming up to me recently, asking for a bloody slime scooper. Is that brother of mine stopped working again? I swear he's addicted to that slop. Stop. Blech. Anyways, for me to make you a scooper, you need to get 5 soft sand. Come back to me once you've gotten a hold of it. You can dig it up from those sand piles around the desert. Really? Really? Dude? I need to search around in the desert? Oh, man. There's a lot of people here. What kind of sand piles do you mean? That is a rat over there. That's not a sand pile. There's people underneath here, apparently. Is this sand piles? No, that would be too obvious. This is a sand pile. Nah. This? Nah. Desert, mid, lower, lower, blah, blah, blah. How do I find these, sand piles? This looks like sand piles to me. I don't even know what they're gonna look like. I don't even know how to dig it up. Ooh. Vin excavation site. Ooh. Maybe down here. I don't like you. Hey kid, can't you see I'm busy here? Come back when you're level 35. Oh, okay. So I'm not supposed to be here. Can I at least buy a shovel? Maybe I need a shovel or something? Sand piles, dude. Around in the desert. What do you mean by round in the desert? Do I need a shovel or what? Let's just quickly go a little around, see if that is it. That is indeed a sand pile. Soft sand pouch. Hey, 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 hey. You're like one of those, what are they called? Wolf spiders. You drop more when you dead. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Go die. You too. The hell is going on here? I'm scared. Get me out of here. I'm scared. So I'm just gonna find more of those. Are they like rare or something? I mean, I found one. Alright, let me bring up my horse and dude, really? You really gotta do this to me? Now I gotta spawn my horse again. I also have way too much stuff in my inventory. Let's see. These daggers everywhere, man. Okay, so now I have 787, and if I put this on, 795. Goodbye. Gonna have very high level for that one. I don't really need that one. Probably don't need that either. Corruption relic sharps. Damn it. No, I didn't mean to. There you go. Just gonna find some sand piles. That's it. You know, I'm just gonna rolling around at the speed of sound. Ah! Got places to go, gotta follow my rainbow. Can't stick around. Do I get copyright for that? I hope not. It's a really cool song, and it should be perfect to sing it now. When I'm just rolling around at the speed of sound. That is like the stupidest, like, that is quests I don't like in games. It's like, you can find it somewhere around in the desert, and you have to search around the whole desert to find some. Like, for me, it's like, can't you just give me a place where I could find it? Dead navel shard. Ugh. Boots, dagger. I have so much daggers and boots in my inventory, like chests of it. Oh, this is a fun quest. What the hell is this? Screw you, slaying post. And apparently it's very hard to find it since I found one and you can't see it anywhere else. And if it's only that one place, well, it's glitching out. Oh yeah, just get stuck, why don't you? Yeah, thanks. Thanks. I'll see you when I get enough sand. Because this is taking a while, apparently. So I'll probably see you tomorrow. But I'll see what I can do, and I'll see when I have gotten 5 of them. Yep. Alright, so I got the 5 soft sand. I hope I'm recording and not live streaming. That would be nice. Yeah, it didn't take that long actually. As soon as I stopped, I found pretty much, and I got 2 soft sand of 1 because there was like one of them like spawned like a bunch of zombies and stuff. It really scared the crap out of me. Also, I went back to Ragni, and then I teleported back to Almui because I had teleportation scrolls to Ragni and Almui, and I had 2 of each, and I used 1 of Ragni, and then I used 1 of Almui, so I could clean up my inventory, do these things where I got armor and weapons and stuff. I got sickle that I'm gonna use sometimes, probably. I mean, it has like a fast attack speed. It is 5 to 30. This is 10 to 20, so this one is actually better. It has also 5 to 20 air damage. So I'm gonna be using this actually. I'm gonna be using the sickle, the katana. And also, if you will look at my health now, it has 857 because I got some better armor from the things that I used the thing on. You return, I see. I fork him over and I'll make you the scooper. There you go. No idea why he wants that stuff though. Maybe it's an acquired taste. Maybe you should try taste it. Maybe it's good. I don't know. You got me the slime scooper. Nice. Now I can go back to that guy. Fetch 8 Slimey Goo. Yes, but why can't you... Not that one. Why can't the quest show me where I need to go? Like... Yeah, I'm tracking it right now. But it doesn't show me where he is. I know he's over there though, but... This is a tool merchant. Not the right place. He's over here. There you are. Let me just talk to you so they leave me alone. Well, make sure to bring our slime scooper too. Yeah, I remember it. I have it. Let's see if these slimes are actually scary. Knock, knock, knock. There's nothing here. There we go. Yeah. I'm owning you guys. I don't know how to get the slimy goo thing. Oh, there, I picked something up. I don't know what I picked up. Oh, it's probably emeralds. I probably picked up emeralds. Do I need to use? I need to kill you with this? Or... No? Maybe there's something I need to fill it up with down here. I don't know. This place goes really deep. What kind of drinks does this guy drink if he goes down all the way here to get some? Like, wow. That is some dedication, dude. I also, off cam, I pushed the comet. So the comet hits the ground and makes a hole. It's hard to explain, but something happened. I literally pushed the comet. And the comet rolled. And exploded. I'm getting up on the high ground. Okay. Am I getting the slimy goo? I don't get it. Oh, there we go. Is it like the really big ones drops it maybe? I got 9. Let me go. Eh. I mean, it's kind of like me. I only drink Mountain Dew almost. Well, I got a new drink today that is supposed to be a sports drink with pineapple and mango, and I don't remember what mango tastes like, but I think I like it. And pineapple, oh, I love pineapple. So I had to go all the way down to get this goop, because down is where the biggest slimes are, I guess. Wee! Hello, my dude. My inventory is getting full again. Oh, you're back. Good to see you were able to get through there. Have you got a full slime scooper? Yes, everything seems to be in order. Perfect. Thank you very much. Finally, I'm able to get him in gear again. Why are all villagers so fickle like that? Well, I suppose that's beside the point. I'll be sure to let him know you got him most recent fix. He hangs around in a little black stall in Bazaar. There's a basement too. He should let you inside now. And for your troubles, a little something from me as well. Do I need to go to him? Like, what the hell? Okay, I did the quest. That's good. Terracotta chunk, nice. Kingdom of Sand, meaningful holiday. Take the Haley. Find out what's going on at the Sandswept Tomb. That's probably the one I pushed a comment on. But next time I think we're gonna do Sandy Scandal, because it's time that we get into the bank here. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I don't know what will be next time. If I get to fix the thing, I'm gonna fix the thing with the Star Wars Battlefront 2 Classic 2005. Or it might be either Sky Factory, Wynncraft, or we're gonna do Lego Batman, because I'm excited to play Lego Star Wars now. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you later.